Hi everyone, welcome to our ultimate hair care guide. In this video, we'll cover identifying your hair type, essential hair care tips, key shampoo and conditioner ingredients for your hair type, additional hair care tips and precautions. First of all, identify your hair type. Knowing your hair type will help you select the right products and treatments. There are 4 primary hair types: straight, wavy, curly and kinky. Let's briefly discuss each one. Straight hair characterized by smooth, sleek stand and usually lack volume. Wavy hair, on the other hand, features gentle, natural waves that can vary in intensity. Curly hair forms spiral or ringlet-like curls with varying degrees of tightness. Kinky hair, coily and tightly curled hair that may appear dense and textured. So now that you have identified your hair type, let's move on to some essential hair care tips and tricks for all hair types. The first tip is regular washing. Wash your hair according to your hair type. Straight hair may need daily washing, while curly or kinky hair can go longer between washes. Shampoo and conditioner. Choose product with the suitable ingredients for your hair type. So let's talk about the ingredients to look for you in shampoo and conditioner. When you're shopping for the shampoo and conditioner, it's essential to check the ingredients to ensure they cater to your hair type and needs. If you have straight hair, look for lightweight, volumizing formula with ingredients like chamomile or panthenol for added shine and body. If you have a wavy hair, then opt for hydrating products containing shea butter or coconut oil to enhance natural waves. If you have a curly hair, seek out sulfate-free, curl-enhancing products with ingredients like argan oil or glycerin for moisture and definition. For kinky hair, choose deeply moisturizing products with shea butter, castor oil or jojoba oil to combat dryness and maintain elasticity. So before we wrap up this video, here are a few more tips for the healthy hair. The first one is heat styling. Limit the use of heat styling tools to prevent damage. Use heat protectant spray when necessary. Number 2 is regular trims. Trim your hair every 6 to 8 weeks to remove split ends and promote growth. Number 3 is nutrition. A balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals is vital for healthy hair. Number 4, avoid harsh chemicals. Minimize exposure to harsh chemicals and dyes that can weaken your hair. Avoid hot water. Wash your hair with lukewarm or cool water to prevent excessive drying and damage. Protect from sun and pollution. Use a hat or protective products to shield your hair from UV rays and environmental pollution. Deep conditioning. Apply a deep conditioning treatment once a week to nourish and moisture your hair. Avoid tight hairstyles. Overly tight hairstyle can stress your hair and lead to breakage or hair loss. Use satin pillowcases. These reduce friction and help prevent hair breakage while you sleep. So let's talk about some precautions. Applying conditioner. After shampooing, apply conditioner mainly to the length and end of your hair. Avoid applying it directly to your scalp, as this can make your hair appear greasy. Use a wide tooth comb or your fingers to distribute the conditioner evenly through your hair. Leave the conditioner on for the recommended time, usually a minute or 2, to allow it to moisturize and detangle your hair. Rinse thoroughly with cool or lukewarm water. Cold water can help seal the hair cuticles and add shines. After washing hair, gently pat your hair dry with a towel to remove excessive water. Avoid vigorous rubbing, which can damage wet hair. If you need to use a hair dryer, use it on a cool or low heat setting to prevent heat damage. Keep the dryer at a safe distance from your hair to avoid overheating. Combing. Start by using a wide tooth comb or detangling brush, especially if your hair is wet. This reduces the risk of hair breakage. Begin combing from the tips of your hair and work your way up to the roots, gently removing tangles as you go. Avoid vigorous or aggressive combing, as this can cause damage, especially if your hair is wet and more vulnerable. Using low heat setting for styling. When using heated styling tools like hair dryers, curling irons or straighteners, choose lower heat setting to minimize the heat damage. Always apply a heat protectant product before using heated tools to create a barrier between your hair and the heat. Air drying. Air drying is a gentle way to dry your hair without causing excessive heat damage. After washing your hair, gently squeeze out excessive water with a clean towel or an old t-shirt. Allow your hair to dry naturally if possible. Avoid vigorous towel drying as this can lead to frizz and breakage. Avoid overusing hair products. Too many styling products can weigh down your hair and lead to buildup. Remember that everyone's hair is unique, so it's important to tailor your hair care routine to your specific needs and preferences. There you have it, our ultimate guide for the hair care, including tips, tricks, and how to choose the right product based on your hair type. Remember that consistent care tailored to your unique hair type is the key to gorgeous, healthy locks. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more hair care tips and beauty advice. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.